Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. Today I am going to show you how to install a Visual Studio 2026 in your Windows 11 system. Okay, if you are new here, please go and subscribe my channel. First, after that, open your browser and click here and type Visual Studio download. Okay, first link, click here on first link. After that, you can see the UI interface and scroll down. Select the community edition because it is a free for everyone. If you want a professional, then you have to purchase it, and same as enterprises. So we are going to community edition. Click on the free download button. After the file is downloaded, you can click on it and click on yes tab. Click on continue tab. Hmm. This is the user interface of Visual Studio installer. Uh, Install Visual Studio Community Edition of 2026. This message is shown because I have already a Visual Studio 2022. So we are going to click on next button. If you have no any Visual Studio edition or older edition, then this message is not displayed for you. Okay, click on next button. Click on OK button. These packages are not available for this Visual Studio because this is the these packages are supported to the older version of Visual Studio. Okay, so we are going to click on OK and select the content as per your requirement. First, I select the web development of Visual Studio. I don't need this Node.js. Okay, and scroll down slowly. Wait. Select .NET application, desktop application. Also select this because it is already selected because I have an older version and it fetched the data as per the Visual Studio 2022. You can select these sections as per your requirement. Okay, I have already selected this desktop application and UI application development. That's it. And Visual Studio extension development, and I don't need anything else. You have two options here. First, you download all, then install, or install while downloading. I select this and click on the installation button. This is my older version, that's why you can see here, and my installation is in process. After the finishing of this process, I will show you the user interface of the Visual Studio 2026. Okay, if you are not subscribing my channel, so please subscribe it for your future references. I have lots of videos on Visual Studio, you can check it on. Installation is almost completed. As you can see, the installation is on 99%. After the 100%, we can move on the user interface of 2026 Visual Studio. As you can see, our installation of Visual Studio 2026 is completed. Now we can launch our application. So you can click on the launch tab here. This is the application starting phase. Sign in this Visual Studio with your login ID or Gmail ID, sorry. I'm using my email ID. Click on the send code tab. So current- I'm skipping the login section and going through the setup of this application, and you can see here two types of themes for this application. One is dark theme and another is light theme. I'm going with the dark theme. You can select as per your requirement. Okay, start Visual Studio tab. This is the first page or front view of Visual Studio 2026. Here your options of the project. Click on, first I'm going to show you how to create a new project in Visual Studio 26. Click here, select any option as per your requirement. I'm going to ASP.NET Core application. Okay. Uh, yes, I'm going with this application. Select this application and click on the next tab. This is your location of your application and name of your application. Type here. Still coding. If change this location as per your requirement if you want or not, then we are going with this location. Click on the next tab. This is your frameworks. Select the framework as per your requirement. In this application, we have 4 framework, 5, 6, 8, and 10. 7 is not useful, then why it is not visible here. You can most of the time choose .NET Framework 8, and then after the future section, after in future, you can select 10 when it is available for the long term. Okay, now we are going with the .NET 8 application, and these options are temporary. We are going to click on the create tab. This is the process of creating the new application in Visual Studio 2026 in Community Edition. Yes, here you can see the user interface of the application after creating the new application or project in your Visual Studio 2026. Okay, these are the files as you can see. So here, this is the simple process how to install Visual Studio 2026 in your Windows 11 systems. I hope you understand all the process how to install this application in your system. Or now we are going to end of this video. Uh, I hope you enjoy it and like it. If you have any issue regarding this video, you can comment on this. Comment on the video. I can provide the solution on it. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed.